is the poisoning and microchipping of humanity with graphene oxide in the vaccines, air and food supply. But what I'm really focusing on is the vaccines.
Mm-hmm.
So what is graphene oxide? It's nanoparticles, magnetized, and ability to self-assemble with applied frequencies like 5G. And why it matters is it is actually creating within the person an internal operating system, which is then ultimately being linked up to the global digitized network, and that's where all your global control, social credit score, you know, the whole lot, that's the end game. So breaking that down, I'm just going to focus on vaccines, which is
okay.
Yeah. So forms of suppression, because the information is not getting out. Now, right from the word go, the New World Order demanded that doctors across the world only follow a very tight narrative, and many chose to deregister because they refused to go along with that narrative. So doctors were not allowed to give alternatives to the prescribed vaccines.
Yep.
So people did not get accurate information because the doctors were only allowed to follow a very strict narrative.
Yeah.
With the many vaccine injuries that were becoming evident, the doctors again were very pressured not to file these reports.
So, Susan, question here. Sorry. Yep. Right now we're still talking just problems.
Okay.
What is do you have a proposed idea that is the solution to this?
Yeah, well, the action is basically get more awareness out there on data manipulation, and action people into standing up and telling their story. By people telling their story, more people are going to come on board and tell their own story, because everyone knows someone who's been affected. So it's the action required is public awareness, but that's extremely difficult at the moment when there's a complete shutdown on the data getting out and the whistleblowers getting
This is what I've heard.
Yeah.
So there is a new world order that is suppressing doctors from being able to treat patients effectively.
Well, in any other way apart from what the New World Order, so the World Health Organization demands.
Yep. Leading to people having a lack of info and options.
Yep.
Leading to injury and in future potential control.
Yes.
Yes. And the solution is here we are looking to bring more public awareness.
Well, that's actually the actual solution is to give awareness to high-tech new age products that will go in and detoxify, take the graphene oxide out and the other heavy metals that are associated with it.
You mean create new technology that will do that?
Yep.
Okay, so my recommendation, my encouragement for you is to think about what is the process to encourage new software to be developed to solve the problem. That's what I'm
well, it's not just there are nanoparticle sized products out there now which will detoxify, so it's getting those off the ground and into the hands of the right people.
So I'd like you to find the process for that.
Right.
That'll be your challenge, and then you can start to talk about that step-by-step process. The problem is we're going to be manipulated and there is a suppression, and the solution is the new nanotechnology. You need to find the process from one to the other.
Sure.
That's your challenge. Okay?
Yep, cool.
Great. Thank you so much. Let's give Susan a big hand. She had a big topic to cover and a big swap there.